Welcome to our new IFRS Education Fund series. It's an initiative of O.J. Samuel's Accounting and Reporting. Welcome once again to another session. In this session, we shall be considering cumulative set 110 questions to which the answers have been provided on IFRS 18. This is the standard on presentation and disclosure in financial statements. Viewers or subscribers have 15 seconds to select or choose the answer to each question. The answer to each question is reviewed after each question. You may pause the timing as you deem necessary. Please enjoy it. Question number 1. One of the following is not a component of primary financial statements under IFRS 18. A. Notes to the financial statements. B. Statement of financial performance. C. Statement of changes in equity. D. Statement of comprehensive income. E. None of the above. Can count. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 1 is A. Notes to the financial statements. A. Notes to the financial statements. The components of primary financial statements under IFRS 18 are 1. Statement of financial performance, which will be statement of comprehensive income or statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. 2. Statement of financial position. 3. Statement of changes in equity. And 4. Statement of cash flows. While notes to the financial statements, or simply notes, are part of the component of IFRS complete set of financial statements, they are not part of the component of primary financial statements. A is the answer to question number 1. Question number 2. The title of IFRS 18 is A. Disclosure in financial statements. B. Presentation in financial statements. C. Presentation of financial statements. D. Disclosure of financial statements. E. Presentation and disclosure in financial statements. Can count. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 2 is E. Presentation and disclosure in financial statements. E. Presentation and disclosure in financial statements. The title of IFRS 18 is Presentation and Disclosure in Financial Statements. E is the answer to question number 2. Question number 3. In how many categories are income and expenses classified under IFRS 18? A. 5, B. 4, C. 3, D. 2, E. 1. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 3 is A. 5. A. 5. Income and expenses are required to be classified into one of the 5 categories as follows. 1. The operating category. 2. The investing category. 3. The financing category. 4. The income taxes category. And 5. The discontinued operations category. A is the answer to question number 3. Question number 4. Which of the following categories of classification in the statement of profit or loss under IFRS 18 is not similar to the classification in statement of cash flows? A. The operating category. B. The investing category. C. The financing category. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 4 is E. None of the above. E. None of the above. The operating, investing, and financing categories of classification in the statement of profit and loss is similar to that of statement of cash flows. E is the answer to question number 4. Question number 5. One of the following is not found as a category of income and expenses in other comprehensive income. A, the financing category. B, the investing category. C, the operating category. D, none of the above. E, all of the above. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 5 is E, all of the above. E, all of the above. There is no categorization of income and expenses into financing, investing, or operating category in other comprehensive income. In other comprehensive income, items are classified according to whether they are reclassifiable to profit or loss subsequently. E is the answer to question number 5. Question number 6. IFRS 18 permits offsetting of assets and liabilities, whether permitted or not, by an IFRS accounting standards. A, some of the time. B, all of the time. C, none of the time. D, most of the time. E, less of the time. 10 counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 6 is C, none of the time. C, none of the time. IFRS 18, as in IS1, does not permit offset of assets and liabilities or income and expenses generally. Offsetting is only allowed when required or permitted by an IFRS accounting standard. Therefore, when not required or permitted, offsetting is never allowed. C is the answer to question number 6. Question number 7. The income taxes category of statement of profit or loss includes A, consumption tax, B, sales tax, C, import duties, D, capital gains tax, E, export duties. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 7 is D, capital gains tax. D, capital gains tax. The income taxes category contains tax expense or tax income determined in accordance with IS 12 titled Income Taxes. IS 12 deals with tax arising on income, profits, or gains. It does not deal with taxes on purchases, spendings, or consumption of an entity. D is the answer to question number 7. Question number 8. Foreign exchange differences associated with current tax is placed under which category in profit or loss of IFRS 18? A, the operating category. B, the investing category. C, the financing category. D, the income taxes category. E, none of the above. 10 counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 8 is D, the income taxes category. D, the income taxes category. The income taxes category contains tax expense or tax income determined in accordance with IS 12 titled Income Taxes, and it also contains any foreign exchange differences related to the tax item determined in line with IS 12. D is the answer to question number 8. Question number 9. Items of the discontinued operations category in statement of profit or loss are determined through A, IS 1, B, IFRS 5, C, IFRS 15, D, IFRS 17, E, IFRS 18. 10 counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 9 is B, IFRS 5. B. IFRS 5. Items in the discontinued operations category in the statement of profit and loss are as determined in line with IFRS 5. IFRS 5 is titled Non-Current Assets Held for Sale and Discontinued Operations. B is the answer to question number 9. Question number 10. When does IFRS 18 become mandatorily applicable as stated in April 2024 when it was issued? A. April 1, 2024. B. May 1, 2024. C. January 1, 2025. D. January 1, 2026. E. January 1, 2027. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 10 is E. January 1, 2027. E. January 1, 2027. As of April 2024, when IFRS 18 was issued, the date of mandatory application of IFRS 18, titled Presentation and Disclosure in Financial Statements, has been set for January 1, 2027. However, an entity may choose to adopt and apply it at an earlier date. E is the answer to question number 10. That is all for this set on IFRS 18, Presentation and Disclosure in Financial Statements. We hope you had fun. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our links, and kindly invite those in your network to do the same. This will enable you and all other subscribers get direct notifications on future video uploads. Till we'll come your way again in another episode. Thank you and bye for now.